Based on the video, a deep neural network, DNN, can significantly aid in AI/ML modeling in several ways. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. 1. Feature extraction. DNNs automatically learn relevant features from raw data without explicit feature engineering. Each layer extracts progressively more complex features. 2. Complex pattern recognition. DNNs can model highly nonlinear relationships. They are suitable for tasks where traditional algorithms struggle due to data complexity. 3. Scalability. DNNs can handle large datasets efficiently with the appropriate hardware. This scalability is essential for modern AI/ML applications dealing with big data. 4. Adaptability. DNNs can be adapted to various tasks and data types. They enable the development of versatile models that can perform multiple tasks. 5. End-to-end learning. DNNs can perform end-to-end learning, where the model directly maps raw input to the desired output. This reduces the need for intermediate steps and manual intervention. 6. Improved accuracy. With sufficient data and proper training, DNNs can achieve state-of-the-art accuracy in various tasks. This makes them indispensable for applications requiring high precision. Example: deep neural networks, DNNs, can help with AI/ML modeling within a human resources management system, HRMS. Here's a breakdown of the potential applications and benefits. How DNNs can help AI/ML modeling in HRMS. DNNs, being powerful machine learning models, can be used to analyze complex HR data and provide insights and automation in various areas. Here's how. 1. Recruitment and talent acquisition. Resume screening and candidate matching. DNNs can parse resumes, extract key information, skills, experience, education, and match candidates to job requirements with high accuracy. This significantly reduces the manual effort of HR recruiters. Predictive hiring. By analyzing historical hiring data, successful hires versus unsuccessful ones, DNNs can identify patterns and predict the likelihood of success for new candidates. Automated chatbots. DNN-powered chatbots can answer candidate questions, provide information about the company and the role, and even conduct initial screening interviews. Skills extraction and gap analysis. DNNs can understand skills from resumes and job descriptions, identify skill gaps within the organization, and recommend training programs. 2. Employee performance and engagement. Performance prediction. DNNs can analyze performance review data, project data, and other relevant information to predict future employee performance and identify those at risk of underperforming. Employee attrition prediction. By analyzing historical data on employee departures, DNNs can identify factors that contribute to attrition and predict which employees are likely to leave the company. This allows HR to take proactive measures to retain valuable employees. Sentiment analysis. DNNs can analyze employee surveys, emails, and communication to gauge employee sentiment and identify potential issues with morale or engagement. Personalized learning and development. Based on employee performance data and career goals, DNNs can recommend personalized learning paths and training programs. 3. Compensation and benefits. Salary prediction. DNNs can analyze industry data, company performance, and individual employee contributions to predict appropriate salary levels for new hires and existing employees. Benefits optimization. DNNs can analyze employee usage of benefits programs to identify which programs are most valued and effective. Fraud detection. DNNs can identify anomalies in expense reports and other financial transactions that may indicate fraudulent activity. 4. HR operations. Automated HR help desk. DNN-powered chatbots can answer employee questions about HR policies, benefits, and procedures. Document processing. DNNs can automate the processing of HR documents, such as employee onboarding forms and performance reviews. Compliance monitoring. DNNs can monitor HR data to ensure compliance with labor laws and regulations. Specific benefits of using DNNs in HRMS. Improved accuracy. DNNs can often achieve higher accuracy than traditional machine learning models, especially when dealing with complex data sets. Automation. DNNs can automate many HR tasks, freeing up HR professionals to focus on more strategic initiatives. Data-driven decision-making. DNNs provide HR professionals with data-driven insights that can help them make better decisions about hiring, compensation, and employee development. Personalization. DNNs can personalize HR processes and programs to meet the individual needs of employees. Scalability. DNNs can easily scale to handle large amounts of data, making them well suited for use in large organizations. Challenges of using DNNs in HRMS. Data requirements. DNNs require large amounts of high-quality data to train effectively. Explainability. DNNs can be difficult to interpret, making it challenging to understand why they make certain predictions. This is especially critical in HR where fairness and transparency are paramount. Bias. DNNs can perpetuate biases present in the data they are trained on. It's crucial to carefully audit the data for bias and take steps to mitigate it. Implementation complexity. Implementing DNNs can be complex and require specialized expertise. Ethical considerations. The use of DNNs in HR raises ethical concerns about privacy, fairness, and discrimination. It is essential to address these concerns proactively. In summary, DNNs offer significant potential for improving AI/ML modeling in HRMS across a range of functions. However, it's vital to address the challenges related to data quality, explainability, bias, and ethical considerations to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and effectively. Here's an explanation of the video which contains two charts related to HRMS, Human Resource Management System, Data Analysis. Chart 1, Employee Level versus Training and Satisfaction. Type, Bar Chart. X-axis, Employee Level, Entry, Mid, Senior. Y-axis, likely represents a score or rating, possibly on a scale of 0 to 4, based on the y-axis values. Data. Blue bars, average training completed. The height of the blue bars indicates the average level of training completed by employees at each level, entry, mid, senior. Red bars, average satisfaction, in 2024. The height of the red bars represents the average satisfaction level of employees at each level. Key observations. Entry-level employees have the highest satisfaction, but also a high average training completion rate. Mid-level employees show the lowest average training completion. Satisfaction appears to decrease from entry to mid-level, then increase again at the senior level. Chart 2, Historical Technology Satisfaction and Forecast. Type, Line Chart. X-axis, Years, 2021 to 2027. Y-axis, likely represents a satisfaction score, possibly on a scale from 3 to 3.3. Data. Green line, Historical Satisfaction. This shows the trend of technology satisfaction from 2021 to 2024. Purple line, Satisfaction Forecast. This projects the anticipated technology satisfaction from 2025 to 2027. Key observations. There was a notable increase in technology satisfaction from 2023 to 2024. The forecast suggests a continued upward trend in technology satisfaction in the coming years. Overall interpretation. The image presents an analysis of employee training, satisfaction, and technology satisfaction trends within the organization. The data suggests a relationship between employee-level training completion and job satisfaction. The technology satisfaction data shows positive historical trends and a promising forecast. Thank you.